Welcome to Roboticky Tips. In this video, I will be quickly getting familiar with the Newton physics engine by setting it up and running some of the available examples. Robotic manipulation is not just about moving objects, it's about interacting with them. When a robot presses or folds something, the object deforms and pushes back. This two-way interaction called two-way coupling is what makes manipulation hard. But most physics engines don't capture this fully, so the loop breaks action, deformation, reaction. And that is where Newton physics comes in and built to simulate these interactions accurately. Let's take a look. I am using a conda environment here, but you can use any environment you are comfortable with. Conda activate myenv. Once you are inside the conda environment, you can paste this command pip install newton.examples. Also run basic pendulum from newton.examples using this command. Once the installation is complete, it will run the second command and you will be able to see Newton viewer with the symbol pendulum. Familiarize with the UA. You can close this by pressing Ctrl and X in the terminal. Try other examples. Let's try this one. Paste the command. You will be able to see the next example. Try some more examples like this. I will just show the output. These are some of the available examples. Now let's see the folding cloth example using Franga robot. Use this command to launch. You can see that the rigid gripper of Franga robot is able to interact with the deformable cloth material. There are few IK examples as well. You can try that. You can move, rotate the end effectors. Here is one example for granular. From these examples, Newton physics looks quite capable, especially for handling complex and deformable interactions. I will come up with more videos. Thanks for watching.